Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate ko, Beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin ni Virgo at ang mga bago po natin viewers. We have a jumping card, the Two of Swords. So, tignan po natin kung ano yung energy na mapipick up natin for you, Virgo, King of Cups. Babasahin ko po yung energy mo at energy ng person mo, okay? So, we have the King of Pentacles, the Magician, and the Two of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Princess of Cups. Okay, Virgo, yung Princess of Cups, ito yung may offer, no? An offer of love. There was an offer of love o na binigay sa'yo. And yung offer of love na to na dumating sa'yo, medyo mabilis, no? Hindi mo na-expect kasi parang bigla na lang dumating sa buhay mo eh, no? As in, unexpected. Talagang hindi mo inaasahan na dadating ito. Kasi with the Nine of Cups, though mabilis, no, na dumating siya sa buhay mo, pero naging wish fulfillment mo to. Gusto mo, no? You wanted this love. This offer of love na natanggap mo. Gusto mo siya. As if you were waiting for this. Itong type of love na to na dumating sa buhay mo. Iniintay mo to na dumating. No? Kaya, kung gaba nung ito na, as in, speed talaga, no? Out of the blue, bigla tanggap ka ng message of love, no? Biglaan. Now, itong Two of Swords natin, andito ka ngayon sa stage na hindi mo maintindihan, no? You cannot make any decision kung ano na bang gagawin mo. Kasi nakikita ko na parang meron kang way, no? You're trying to weigh things or juggle things na parang binabalanse mo pa sa ngayon. Maybe it has something to do with your career. Kasi we have the Two of Pentacles dito. Because it's something to do maybe with money and your career or yung personal life mo with your work. Or it could be your family as against sa person na ito. You know, many things na dalawang bagay na mahalaga sa'yo pareho. Pero dahil nga kasi yung value niya kasi is very equal, no, sa'yo. Parehong mahalaga. But you wanted to make sure na walang nalalamangan. Na tama lang yung magiging desisyon mo para rito. Kaya nagiging mahirap para sa'yo kasi baka kasi mas meron kang mabigyan ng time at attention mo na maiwan mo yung isa. Ayaw mo yon. Kaya nga pagdating sa pagdedesisyon, you want it to be fair. You know, you want things to make sure na talagang patas lang lahat. Now, kasi you're dealing with a water sign, okay? With the King of Cups. Either Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Now, I think you fell in love, no? Na in love ka dito sa person na to, Virgo. Unexpectedly. Kasi nga dumating siya sa buhay mo na hindi mo inaakala. Na hindi mo akalain na itong tao na to pala yung magbibigay sa'yo ng ganitong klaseng pag-ibig na matagal mo nang wini-wish. And here you are, the King of Pentacles. Of course, you're trying your best to maintain yung pagiging practical mo, na grounded, na stable. Kaya para hindi ka mawala, no? So you won't lose your balance. And of course, with the Magician, ito, andito rin ang energy mo, Virgo and Gemini. You know you have all the tools, no? Binigay sa'yo lahat. Nasa sa'yo lahat ng kailangan mo para matupad ito, no? Magawan mo ng tamang, kung ba tamang diskarte. Anong dapat gawin? Kaya, ang kailangan mo lang is to make sure na yung pinaplano mo, o yung gagawin mo, yung ginagawa mo ngayon sa pangkasalukuyan, kaya mo, no? Kaya mong bigyan ng parehong panahon, no? Nararapat na panahon. Kasi syempre, lalo na kung pagdating sa career o sa trabaho, alam naman natin na napaka sipag mong tao pagdating sa pagdating sa iyong job. Kaya yung oras mo dito, talagang ibinibigay mo more than 100% sometimes. So, yun yung isang concern mo kasi baka isipin nung mahal mo sa buhay, yung person na to, na wala ka ng oras para sa kanya. Wherein you're just doing, work kasi syempre para rin to sa future. And considering that is in your nature, na talagang binibigay mo talagang lahat-lahat pagdating sa pagtatrabaho. And I think your person has to understand that, na ganun ka talaga eh. But kaya nga, I understand na you also know yung yung limit mo, hanggang saan ka. Kaya nga ginagawa mo, you wanted to make sure that you can balance this. Yung work as against to your love, o yung maybe your family as against to this person, whatever, kung ano man yung sitwasyon mo, no? Take it as it resonates. Okay, so ano yung ka-clarify natin? Ba't andito yung Two of Swords? We have the Devil, the Six of Wands, and the Fool. Bottom niya is the Eight of Pentacles. Again, the Eight of Pentacles, of course, this is all about work. No? Trabaho to. Which is your card, Virgo. Puro trabaho. Gusto mo kasing yung pera mo is really dumami, no? Kasi 8 na to eh. Hanggang ba, marami-rami ka nang naiipon. Pero gusto mo pa rin dumami. No, maabot yung tinatawag nating 10 of Pentacles, which is yung talagang sobra-sobra na o sapat na yung pera mo. But na hindi ganun kadali. Alam mo na hindi ka basta-basta makakarating dun sa 10 of Pentacles na ng ganun-ganun lang. So it needs really time and hard work. Dito sa kung bakit you're having a difficulty in making that decision, is because meron kang you have that thoughts, no? Yung negative thoughts about this relationship. Though you wanted to be successful, no? Pagdating dito sa pagdidesisyon na to, no? You wanted it to work. Gusto mo mag-work, but you're having negative thoughts about it. No, hindi mo maalis kung gaba parang meron kang, sabihin natin na pinanghihinaan ka rin ng loob, no? O nagkakaroon ka ng insecurities or fear. Pero alam naman natin na ang fear is not real, hindi yan totoo. Isip mo lang yan. Ikaw lang ang gumagawa ng takot na yan. Kasi once naharap mo yan, alam mo naman na mawawala yung fear na yon. Okay? Ang energy kasi dito is ang sinasabi, the Fool, energy of Aries, is to take that leap of faith, Take the risk, magbakasakali ka. Lakasan mo yung loob mo, Yung kung maraming kang naiisip noon before, kung ano-ano yung nagpe-play sa isip mo, then wag mo nang isipin, just do it. This is an action card na sinasabi, umaksyon ka na. Kasi kung yung kung patatagalin mo pa, then you are just trying to work on this energy of the devil, which is a Capricorn energy, na wala, puro panghihinaan ka lang ng loob. This energy ng devil will be the one stopping you to make that action. Ang sinasabi dito, wag mo nang isipin, umaksyon ka na. Okay? Now, bakit andito yung Two of Pentacles? We have the Tower. We have this Seven of Pentacles and Temperance. Bottom niya is the Three of Wands. Matagal mo na ito iniintay, You're trying to, you've been waiting to do this. To make that, yung kung gaba yung pagja-juggle nga, yung matagal mo na itong ginagawa, And kakatagal mo, kung gaba you're procrastinating, pinapatagal mo talaga, You're procrastinating, Kakaganyan mo. Ang nangyayari tuloy, ang tagal na ng pag-iintay, You've been waiting for a long time. What, to balance things? Kasi ito yung temperance natin. This is to balance your emotion, to check your emotion. Ang matagal, this both, mayroong cards dito of waiting, This two cards is all about waiting. Pag-iintay. Kakaintay. Baka, alam mo yun, hindi maging maganda yung result kasi sometimes when we wait, baka yung iniintay natin wala na. Alam mo yun? Hindi na rin nakapag-intay. That's why you have to temper your energy. You have to be sure na kaya mo na balance ka na, you're healed. You're healed. Na-heal mo na yung sarili mo. If you've gone through some pains before, na-heal mo na. Okay ka na ngayon to execute itong bagay na sinasabi sa'yo na to balance yourself with this relationship. Now, tignan natin kung ano yung sa person mo, ano yung pinagdadaanan niya ngayon. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, the Eight of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles. Bottom is the Death card. Okay, yung person ni Virgo, Death card, this is an energy coming from a Scorpio. Definitely merong natapos. Something has ended. It ended, and may natapos dun sa person mo, yung cross-watcher natin. Ang natapos is yung Hermit, This is an energy coming from a Virgo. Baka natapos na rin yung feelings niya for Virgo o yung attachment niya with Virgo. Or this might also mean na natapos na yung pag-iisip, yung period ng pag-iisa, pagiging mag-isa, or yung period of being by your own, thinking about things, kung ano naman nangyari. Kasi this is, with the Six of Swords, ang gusto mo lang kasi, yung cross-watcher natin, o yung person is, just go to a peaceful place na talagang, ang thoughts mo, ang pag-iisip mo, maliwanag na, no? Wala nang negative things na magbabother sa iyong isipan. Kung merong man dapat noon, hindi lang ending but having that change, a transformation, is magkaroon nga ng pagbabago pagdating sa pag-iisip. Kung paano ka nag-iisip. Kung paano mo na-analyze yung nangyayari ngayon sa inyo ni Virgo. Kasi with the Three of Pentacles, ito yung start ng card mo, cross-watcher, na you wanted talaga na magkaroon ng magandang harmony o cooperation between you and Virgo. Yung relationship na to is to make it work. In other words, may cooperation. Mag-jive kayong dalawa. Kasi ang feeling ng person mo sa'yo, Virgo, is you are somebody from his or her past. No, matagal ka niya nang kilala. Feeling niya talagang meron kayong pinagsamahan noon. Hindi lang itong buhay na to, even in your past life with the Six of Cups. And dahil nga kasi matagal yung pagdidesisyon mo na hindi ka gumagalaw. You're not showing any action at all. Kaya yung person mo has decided to walk away. Umalis. Iwan ka. To say goodbye. And to look somewhere else. O hanapin kung ano man yung gusto niyang hanapin. Kasi ang gusto lang naman niya talagang ma-achieve dito sa relationship na to is yung equal give and take, no? Patas kayo na talagang nagmamahalan, patas kayo sa lahat ng bagay na hindi naman imposible. 'Di ba? Napakasimple lang 'yon. And it is truly right, no? Tama lang 'yon na talagang pagdating sa relationship, meron tayong tawag na equal give and take. Talagang kung anong binigay mo, yun din na matatanggap mo, which is fair. Diba? Kahit naman ikaw, Virgo, you wanted that reciprocity. Diba? Kaya nung hindi niya nakuha yun sa'yo, yun, naisip nga niya na hindi mo kasi siya binigyan ng importansya. You didn't give this person that importance. Hindi mo siya pinansin, hindi mo siya binigyan ng halaga, hindi mo vinalue yung pagmamahal na ibinibigay niya sa'yo. Kasi andito yung King of Cups, no? This person truly loves you. Hindi mo binigyan ng halaga yon. Hindi mo, yun ang pakiramdam niya, ha? Yun ang sinasabi ko dito, Virgo. Baka sabihin mo sa akin, hindi totoo yan. Sinasabi ko yung feeling ng person mo towards you. Yun yung naramdaman niya sa ginawa mo. O sa naging outcome nung nangyari sa inyong sitwasyon. Na binaliwala mo, hindi mo binigyan importansya, iniwan mo lang sa ere na andyan lang. Parang bahala ka dyan. Hindi ka pinansin. Ganun. O hindi mo siya pinansin. Yun yung naramdaman ng person mo. Okay? Tignan natin. Ba't andito yung Eight of Cups? We have the Page of Swords. We have the Empress. And the Lovers. Bottom niya is the Page of Wands. So, ito, no? Yung, kung bakit siya umalis. Kasi sa totoo lang, no? Nagsalita siya, nagsabi siya talaga sa'yo ng kanyang saloobin. Naging very honest siya sa'yo kung ano yung nakita niya o naramdaman niya towards you. Kung ano yung nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. And dahil nga ang gusto lang naman niya is to feel that love, no, towards you. O ikaw din, ibigay mo yung love na yun sa kanya. But hindi mo na-execute, hindi mo napakita, hindi mo, for whatever reason, nag-hold back ka. Kaya, yung person mo has to make that decision with the lovers. No, this is an energy coming from a Gemini. Nag-decision siya, no? You need to make that decision na to walk away nga with the 8 of Cups. No, but andito yung 5 of Pentacles. We have the Page of Pentacles. We have Judgment. And we have the Tower. Bottom niya is the Moon. So, maraming hindi ka pa alam. Maraming hindi alam, no? Your person might definitely, this is an energy coming from a Pisces. Maraming hindi alam. Maraming hindi clear. Obviously. Kaya nga, bumaksak ito eh. There was this Tower. And the Page of Pentacles, something na pakiwari niya na there will be an offer also towards you na okay, magpapakita mo na kahit umpisa pan lang o maliit man lang na umpisa na there is something to look forward to. Pero hindi mo nga napakita yon. So judgment came to make that decision and kaya nga nagkaroon tayo ng Tower moment. Hindi natuloy. Bumaksak siya. Nagkaroon ng ending. Kasi maraming bagay na hindi maliwanag. Maraming bagay na hindi na-express. Maraming bagay na itinago. Hindi pinaalam. Kaya hindi siya nag-end up to be what you wanted. Which is magkaroon sana ng magandang start, no? To make this relationship work. Hindi siya nag-work. Because sa case ni Virgo, nag-aano siya eh. Still trying to juggle things. Wherein, ang sinasabi dito ng card is, come on, temper your energy. Temper your emotion. Balansehin mo na yung sarili mo para maging okay kayo. Now, ano yung advice? Act as if your partner is here. Whether you have someone in your life or not, act as if they are with you, so you will always consider them. Diba? Simple acts of kindness. Kindness energizes you and brings happiness to those around you. Choose love. You always have choice. Make yours with love. Okay? Virgo? And sa cross-watcher natin, take it as it resonates. Napakaganda po ng messages sa inyo. Piliin yung pag-ibig. Siyempre, maging mabait, no? Choose that kindness. Kung wala ka man ngayon, isipin mo as if you have somebody with you para alam mo yung maibigay mo yung pagmamahal na yun. Kasi something has ended, obviously. Natapos na itong person na to na talagang truly in love with you, na biglang dumating sa'yo, sa buhay mo, na hindi mo na-expect, pero nawala siya, umalis siya, iniwan ka niya kasi pakiwari nga niya, hindi mo siya binigyan ng importansya. Because you cannot make any decision. Hindi ka makapag-decide as if you're still trying to juggle things. Ano na bang gagawin ko? You don't know what to do. But what you're being advised to do is to temper your energy. Balansehin mo ang iyong enerhiya. Balansehin mo yung emosyon. Or you need to heal. Kung meron ka mang pinagdadaan ng pain, heal yourself first. Para, you can move forward with this love. Diba? Itong love na to. I hope nakatulong ito sa Virgo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.